Alright, welcome to the replacement of the screen of the HP Pavilion 15 AB-121ND. So the first thing you do is get rid of the black holes over here, get a black sticker on the left and the right, and get the screw out of it, and then on both sides, there's one, to try and get rid of this plastic thing in front of the screen. Even with your fingers or just a card, try to get in between it and click it out. You see, it goes just like that. Don't be worried, don't be too hard because then the plastic will break, but if you just be gentle, you see, then you can flip over your laptop if you want to. On the other side, always get out the battery and get on the corner. You got two screws. Get rid of those, and as soon as you've done that, you can take this thing out, and with the card you can make this thing a little bit loose. So, and other side as well. So now you can take the plastic off the screen. There you go. Okay, plastic off the screen. You see? Jiggle it a little bit. Don't worry. Maybe some glue over here, but and then you can take this off. Oh. Alright, so when you got the screen off, then put it on the side, and then you got the laptop screen, and there are 4 screws. One over here, one on top, right top, over here, one over here, left top, yeah, and one over here. Get rid of all the screws, yep, like I did, over here, yep, and then you'll see that the screen is loose, alright. Then you got in the back, you got this plug-in, or I don't know how you call it in English, but the thing goes into your laptop and you can just slide it out of it, so it's loose, yeah, and then you can take your new screen, alright, there you go. So this is your old screen, you can get rid of that or do whatever you want with it, and you get your new screen. There you go. And just put it back gently. And so the first thing you do is slide in that cable. Alright, so push it good in. Be gentle, don't break it. Yep, so it's in. Alright, good in. So now to be sure that the screen works and you really have a new screen, just make sure you don't attach it yet, because maybe you didn't plug it in right or not far enough. So you can always easily try it again to connect the screen with the cable. So now to make sure that the screen works and the screen is connected to the motherboard, I just put on the power, and then there you go. So now I'm gonna put back the screws in and make sure it's tight. Yeah, one over here. There you go. And of course one on the other side. To attach this thing again, make sure it's connected again, and then it's time to play. So now just make sure that everything is back in its place. So you click it, yeah, there you go, then you click it, that's it, and of course down here, and then you see the 2 screws. We need to fill them, and then it's done. Then they are back, it's all placed, and you can start doing your thing with your laptop with a new screen.